Welcome back guys, this is Sabresh from Foster Training Solutions, and as said in the earlier video, we'll be seeing about the surprise gift in this video. So now let's reveal the gift. In this video you'll be seeing what are the perks you will be getting that GitHub provides. So let's get started with this video. So there is a limitation, like there is only specific people who is going to get this gift. The gift is only for specifically given for college or school students and teachers and professors. So the next question is like, how would I get this gift? So just we need to go to a browser and just type in google.com, google.com or google.co.in, and just type in GitHub Students Developer Pack. So just going in the first link, we'll be getting a landing page, right? So this is the landing page of education.github.com and /pack. So all you need to do is like just go in and press the button, get the pack. So before getting that, we'll see what are the tools we'll be getting free. So like there are multiple tools we'll be getting for free. So these are the tools that is we'll be getting for free, right? So just go in, check it out. Okay, so now let's see how to get the pack. So just click on the button, get the pack. So let I show you the tutorial for get student benefits. So I'll be just pressing get student benefits. So here is the option like which best describes your academic status. So if you are a student, just go in for student, and if you are faculty, just go in for faculty. Then email address is being asked. So if you just choose an email address that is being issued by your school, then no problem, you will be able to get the pack 100% issued. So you will be also having a speedy review if you use a school issued email address. So do use the school issued email address. So then there is a name of your school. Just type in the name of your school. If you don't have your name being name of a school being listed here, no problem. It will be asking another document. So let me type like So here is an option like please upload proof of your academic status. So we need to just confirm that we are just studying in that school. So we need to take a picture, like we need have like a proof, like there is an ID card, right? So we need to upload ID card of our college or school, so that the people from GitHub will verify your ID card, whether you are studying in the school or just completed the school. So if you are just studying, they will be approving your plan. So we need to mention like how we are going to use that GitHub education plan. So just type in randomly anything, and then these are the things you will be getting to be filled if you don't have your school name being mentioned here. So you need to just type in what is your school's website address, then you need to describe your school, then how many students are being enrolled at school, then where is your school being located. We need to enter every detail if we don't have our listing in that. So then just you need to submit your information. Once the people from GitHub verify your details, they'll just give out the plan. We'll be getting the student's plan, and you'll also be getting a confirmation mail from GitHub. So let us see what are the top perks we'll be getting from GitHub. So there are like, here we see like 4 top perks. First one is like .tech domain. What is .tech domain? We'll be getting offer like we'll get a .tech domain for free. So we can host our own website and we can show our portfolio in the .tech domain. So I do have my own portfolio. I'll also give the link of that my portfolio in the description section. So there is another thing like Educative. We'll be able to access 6 months for free in Educative, where we have 60 plus courses covering in demand. So next is like Canva Pro. We'll be getting a Canva Pro of like 12 months subscription for free. So this is like unbelievable stuff, right? So next is like Microsoft Azure, where we'll be getting like 25 plus Microsoft Azure cloud services and also 100 received credit. So there is also other perks which we'll be getting for free. So there is like AWS Educate, There is Unity. All know like many of the games that is being played worldwide is being created by Unity, and we'll also be getting an Arduino Create account. So this is going to be a very helpful thing for hardware guys, and also we will be getting a free account in DigitalOcean where we'll get $50 in our platform credit for new users. So another thing is like a DataCamp. We'll be getting free 3-month individual subscription for students. So this is like where DataCamp is a site like where we can learn much about data science. So Adafruit. Adafruit is also for hardware guys where we'll be getting Adafruit IO plays and discounts on select hardwares. So there is like another thing like Bootstrap Studio where we'll be getting a good bootstrap, how to bootstrap our website. So we'll be learning about how to bootstrap our website so that it is being clearly viewed in mobile as well as in laptops. So there is another thing which is most used by like final year students, Interview Cake. So like this is having the full coding interview prepare course for 3 weeks. So there is other much stuffs which will be getting for free. So as I showed you in that page, let me show you the page again. So here is the page like where we'll be seeing many other tools that is being provided for free in GitHub Education Pack. So just do sign up for the GitHub Education Pack, and just do share with your friends about this video, and thank you for watching this video. If you do like this video, just give a thumbs up and do share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.